Hello, thanks for checking out Mr. Ware's videos, and today we're looking at the nth term of a geometric sequence. So let's begin. Alright, so this is similar to arithmetic sequence. We have a sequence here. It says to find the 13th term of the geometric sequence, 6, -30, and 150. Okay, and we got a formula, a little bit different than arithmetic, but similar things that are being looked for. But instead of for a common difference, we're looking for a common ratio. Okay, and that's because instead of going up by the same amount, it's being multiplied by the same amount. So we need to find what that amount is. So let's go by find term after term here and go from there. So first we're going to find the first term. The first term is the first number of the sequence here, which is 6. Alright, now we're going to find the common ratio. So you do that again by doing the second divided by the first and the third divided by the second. So the first term, or the second term, is -30 divided by 6. I get -5. And just to make sure it is the common ratio, what I'm going to do is do 150 divided by -30 just to double check, and it is. So now I've got the common ratio -5, and then I find the n, the term position, which is given to you right here in the question. It's 13. Alright, now what I'm going to do is plug all of these into my formula, okay? I'm not worried about the a sub n. Just going to plug in everything else in here, okay? Just like so. So I got the first term, -5 for my common ratio, and 13 as an exponent up here, n-1. Okay, so you could do 13 minus 1 to get 12, and then just do 6 times -5 raised to the 12th in your calculator. Or you could just type the whole thing in the calculator like this. 6 times -5 raised to the 13 minus 1. And make sure you put these in parentheses. The exponent and the common ratio in parentheses. Now to get this to go up in the Delta Math calculator, what you want to do is hit this button here. There's a button that says A raised to B. Hit that button to get it to go up so you can type this in. But once you do that, you type that in the calculator, and you get this big huge number, but this big huge number is the answer. Alright, let's take a look at another example. Okay, so in the second question, it wants to find the 12th term of the geometric sequence. 2 minus 10, or -10, and then 50. Okay, so we'll do the same thing. We'll find the first term, which is 2. We're going to find the common ratio by doing -10 divided by 2 to get -5, and 50 divided by -10 to get -5. And then once you do that, we'll find the term position, which is given, the 12th term, so that number is 12. And then we plug all of those into our formula here. And then just type that in the calculator, and we'll get our answer. Okay, and that's it. That is finding the nth term of the geometric sequence. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.